Friends, I am Harris and you are watching Mr. Epic channel. I hope you are doing well. Friends, life is so fast and every official culture working in haste. In this situation, you need to become the multitasker. It was seen that many people type the report on Microsoft Word, but when they insert table and want to add some amounts or items, they usually using Microsoft Excel, which seems very odd sometimes and become the cause of divergence of your concentrations, especially when you use some formulas in Excel. So guys, in this video I have a hidden magic trick of Microsoft Word, and by using that trick you can easily add your amounts, your quantities in tables. So let's move towards laptop screen and learn the Microsoft Word trick and tips. Alright friends, you can see a dataset in which serial number, name of items, quantity and amounts are displayed. Now you want to add the quantity first. You just need to go to layout option. Now the question is that where is layout option exist? When you click the empty quantity area total under the table option, the layout option appears like that. Okay, you just click out layout option and go towards the formula tab. Just click on formula tab and you can see the formula is equal to sum bracket open above bracket close. You just press OK and you can see the total automatically in quantity. The same practice you can do with amount column. Just click at there, go to layout is already exist. Just click the formula and just see sum above and press OK. You can see the add all the tables easily at one click. So this is the simplest trick for you. Hopes you like it. So guys, please like the video and subscribe the channel and encourage the efforts. I'll be right back with some more IT tricks and tips. Till then, take care, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.